Hey, it's Tom, your small but mighty brick builder, and I'm on my flight home from Barcelona, Spain. And I thought, why not make a plane on a plane? So let's make a Lego airplane on this real plane, on this flight. Today, we are building the passenger jet, number 60492. It's 118 pieces. All right, let's build this plane on a plane. One bag, two bag, molded pieces. Instruction 1. Instruction 2. Paper bags. Well, this is funny. It's the same head and face as the previous minifig I just built. But I have a... Oh, wait. Nope, I found it. Just looks weird in the picture. Airline ticket. Got to put it in the suitcase. Oh, no, he doesn't fit on the... There we go. Take a picture. Got to document all those big adventures you're going to go on. Oh. Airport worker. Oh, his spouse packed up some yummy treats for his job today. Fun fact, Lego is the largest manufacturer of tires, vehicle tires, in the world. Right. Book 1 done. Time to make a plane. Now the paper bags can be a little tricky. Pieces tend to hide in the corners, so always double check. Now she's ready for a busy day. Well, the control center. Ah. One red, one green. I jumped the gun. I love that clicking sound. Did you hear it? Coming in for a landing. What a fun little classic build this was. Just super easy, simple, and really effective. Looks great. Comes with 3 minifigures and a ton of accessories for the minifigures. And great little luggage cart. All right. Well, got a few hours left to this flight. So I'm gonna kick back, relax, and take a nap. And hopefully when I open my eyes, I'll be back in the United States. Thanks, everybody. This is Tom, your small but mighty brick builder. Have a great day. Bye.